Yo, yo! So, andito na naman tayo sa loob kasi nga maulan na naman sa labas. So, for today, we're back at Akatsuki members. We have here Zetsu, ayan, Vibration Stars, ayan. Mabigat siya. So, for those you folks who doesn't know, he is the plant-like member ng Akatsuki. So, yung mga plantita-plantita dyan, this is for you guys. So, let's check and find out kung maganda din tong figure na to. Let's go. Let's unbox this. Yo! This figure looks so damn fine. Take a look. So, mga plantita-plantita dyan, this is a must-get figure. Just kidding. Yung mga Naruto fan dyan, especially Akatsuki members, this is a must-get figure. Take a look at that. Let's check the paint job. The paint job looks nice. It is perfectly done. Bigat niya. I love the details. I love how they nailed the contrast of the black and white Zetsu. Tingnan nyo naman yung pagkakahati. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ang ganda din ng details niya. Especially this, the plant, like, is sculpted really well dito sa ulo niya. Sheesh, ganda. Let's check. Matangkad din siya. Let's say, I think this is about 6 inches or less, 5 to 6. I'm not sure though. So, ayan. Solid, ganda. Let me show you the 360 of it. Ayan. Go. Kita. Yung, kita nga. Ayan. So, ayan. So, for those who doesn't know, Zetsu is like the scout or spy sa Akatsuki. That's his role. Ayan. He has two personality actually, the black and the white one. As far as I remember, the white one is the goofy one and yung black yung seryoso. Medyo nakakatakot yung black. So ayan. So let's go for the montage, guys. Let's go.